Come.
Oh.
I want to practice Maori. Maori's tradition. New Zealand. Traditionals.
Oh, amazing.
My generation facing a lot of problems. Like your generation, future, hopefully more peaceful, more equal. So you each one also have the responsibility to create genuine peace on the concept of oneness of 7 billion human beings. Now today, the global warming, one serious matter. So, such as a serious situation, now no use to fight each other. Now time come, we have to think world, not my nation, my continent, but rather whole humanity. When you see people facing some difficult situation, then once someone you see lonely, you see passing through, and then some difficulties, then saw one human being, no question what nation, what religion, what race, but simply, one human being there, and feel very happy. Oh, like that. When we, not serious problem, then we too much emphasis what religion, what races, what country, and within same, rich and poor. So now the global warming seems now telling us we should act as a one human being. Like that. Now, time come. Think about humanity. Okay. Thank you.